Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. I'm pasted my transaction ID. Guys, you need to pay 100 Doge coins for lifetime access to this website, KeyFinder. Then you can find Ethereum addresses, private KY using this website. Okay, so you can also find this website on my YouTube channel bio. Also, you can subscribe to my channel for the next update. So today, I'm interested, and I am finding this address. Now I am planning to find this address matching private key. Okay, so first, I'm unlocking this and placing the address here. Here you can see the address to encrypt words finder, so we can find the encrypted private key from this address and check if it's a valid address.